Yeah, they might be starting shooting.
Happy New Year, Debbie. Happy
We got DJ music.
2018? Are you kidding me?
Like really, like we're just gonna have fun stuff, bounce our hats around.
I thought everybody got that. I'm sorry.
Oh man, when is the shooting gonna begin? Just laying down.
Happy New Year, Debbie. You coming home?
I feel like a stinking
Oh, I
weirdo.
didn't know. I mean, I thought
We gotta show commentary so the viewers won't be bored.
Yeah, you're right.
Oh,
You're not even talking. Like, hey viewers, I'm talking, man.
Yeah, okay. I'll talk. I just don't know. So the gun shooting will be starting
Win.
any soon now. What my dad says. He said, and I don't know, but he just says get down on the ground when you hear one gunshot. From that,
sound right.
but it's a New Year's.
All right. I just wanted to
Oh my gosh. Oh my. 1 minute. 17, 18, 19, 20.
Let's just do 30. 30, 29, 28, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Why?
22, 21, 20,
Happy New
21,
Year.
20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12,
Happy New Year's, guys.
11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start shooting.
Well, for some clips where the shooting isn't happening, we're gonna have some wrestling matches, okay?
I had to call you.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Um,
Oh, man.
Since the shooting is not starting, I'll make a second video about it.